Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your account on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to change your Windows 11 PC username of your account, there are two different methods, which will depend on whether you are using your Microsoft account or whether you are signed in using a local account instead. Either way, right-click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Now, from the settings page, click on Accounts at the left side, and you will now be taken into your accounts page. From this page, scroll down and click on Your Info. This will then take you into your information page. From here, you will find the Edit Account Information option right within the home page if you are using a local account. Now, if you are using a Microsoft account, then click on the Accounts option underneath Related Settings. This will then open up your Microsoft account settings page within your web browser. From here, just click on Your Info, and now you will see your full name within your account. Click on the Edit Name button alongside, and now you will be allowed to enter your first and your last name for your account. After typing both your first and last name, go ahead and enter the captcha code that is displayed underneath, and after entering it within the given box, click on the Save button. And now this will save your changes, and your name on your device will be changed right away. And now this change will also be applied within the PC that is connected to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account name on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.